Cold, cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Alrighty, so you can probably hear my dog barking outside. Oh, God knows I don't want to do no lashes, so I'm gonna do some mascara. Sorry. I don't know what to pair with this. I think I might just do a gloss. because the highlight that's on it, aka eyeshadow, it's iridescent, by the way, but well, it's highlight on it too, but it's already doing a lot. Like, it's cute. I don't know what to let's see if I put it on my lip. Oh, okay. Y'all, that's an eyeshadow. Ooh, there it goes. And that's gonna be it. The gloss that I'm gonna use is by NYX. Of course, it's gonna be a simple gloss. Well, if it's up there, it's gonna be NYX. If not, I'm gonna just use my favorite gloss. So you're gonna settle with LA Colors Moisturizing Glossy Lip. Just a clear gloss at the top. Oh yeah. Yeah. My lips are kind of muted, meaning I look my lip color. Wait a minute, I don't like. Okay, that works. And let me see. There we go. And you all. This is the finished look. Ooh. This is the finished look. I really don't know what to call it, but of course there will be a title on it. Obviously, meaning I figured out what to call it, but right now I really don't know what to call it. But it's very pretty, very nonetheless. And the blend, come on, gloss, work with me. But I'm not feeling the gloss. Hold on, cause sis. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, that's it. Let me go ahead and set my face. So my face is setting. Look like I just went swimming. Ting. But anyways, you guys, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this very pretty, vibrant look that I got going on right now. The lip is not working with me right now. I don't know what to do with the lip. I really don't. I'm about to have a breakdown. I don't know what to do with the lip. I really don't. I really don't. I really don't. I really don't. I have this, let me see. Ooh, girl, what the hell? No. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh! Somebody! Oh! He cut. I had to cut that. Found a really pretty butter gloss, and I think I'm just gonna work with that. It smells so good too. Looks like so. It's the butter gloss and peanut brittle. It smells so good. And I'm gonna put a clear on top. For more shine. When I take pictures, this lip probably will not be a part of the look. Okay. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Block. There we go. Hold on. Wait, y'all. It's not working with me. Boom. Got it down. Got it down. Got it down. All right. Finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always ask questions. So always read the description box on my social media and anything that you would like to know is there. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time I upload, which is every single Monday. And can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thank you again. Bye.